Hey Mulan. Hey Vanellope. What do we have here today? Well, today I'm going to show everybody the new Power Pack display, the Oh My Disney Castle, and the Sugar Rush arcade game. Whoa, that's a mega unboxing. We also have new Series 2 Power Pack figures, compliments of Bandai. I also brought some Series 1 2-packs that I found on Amazon. And I love this yummy donut. Oh, you really are a funny gal, Rapunzel. Hey, Ralph.
Yeah, Felix?
Hey, let's open up all these boxes and show everybody.
Good idea. This is turning out to be an epic unboxing.
Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tubi Toys. Let's get started. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Well guys, you heard Vanellope and everybody else from Wreck-It Ralph 2, the princesses, Ralph, and Fix-It Felix. Today we have an epic unboxing featuring new Series 2 Power Pack figures that Bandai was so kind enough to send to us. I also included these really cool Power Pack displays where you could display your amazing figures from the Power Pack set. We also have a Series 1 2-pack that I found on Amazon, a steal of a deal for just under $10, which makes a great stocking. This is what you can collect in Series 1, from Ralph to Vanellope, Snow White, all of these cool characters. And did you know that you can scan the figures to play in the new Wreck-It Ralph maze game? It's the PACMAN Ralph Breaks the Maze game. You could scan your figures in to play them in the game. If you didn't see our original unboxing video of the Target collectible set, you can find that link in the description up top of your screen. For Series 2, this is everybody that you can collect. I like that they put all of their names on this one. I'm not sure if they included it on the Series 1 single packs. I hope we get Knowsmore or maybe even Princess Tiana. Her hair looks so cool. Let's open up this awesome box first. I gotta dig into Series 2. Here is our stand. And our figure. Feels like we got, I'm gonna say Vanellope. Oh my god, it was totally wrong, and we got Shank. That is so cool. Have you guys watched our unboxing of Shank's car from her awesome game on the internet? Just make sure you check that out too. You can find all of our Wreck-It Ralph unboxings under our Bandai playlist or Wreck-It Ralph playlist. She looks so cool. Look, her belt buckle is a skull and it's like a shimmery gold. She is such a pretty figure. I love her hoodie, and you can see that she's gonna have a red stand. Let's see if that's right. Here we go, and look, we even have our code, or is it a checklist? Let's see. Yep, here is our code. So you're gonna download the PACMAN app, enter the code below, and get to chomping. Now, a lot of people ask me for these codes, like via private message. I'm sorry, I can't give these codes away. If I did, then I wouldn't be able to play my game. So guys, if you want to get your own, I'm sure you'll be able to find some online, or you could just buy the figures. The figures are really cool. Let's put her on her stand. These are not posable figures, but they are super awesome. Bandai is super well known for their amazing posable figures. I love the new Wreck-It Ralph 2 toy line that they have. They are amazing toys, and this one is no exception. Super happy we got Shank. Let's open up another one from Series 2. I just can't help myself. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. We love all of our subscribers. We love giving back, and right now we're over 12,000 subscribers. Guys, keep subscribing, keep sharing our videos. Once we reach 25K, we're gonna have the biggest giveaway ever. Well, in our history. Let's see who we got. I'm feeling it out. I think we got Tiana. Ooh, I hope we did. I love Princess Tiana. We did! And I'm super excited. She is so cute. Look, she's wearing her NOLA sweater. Do you know what that means? It means New Orleans, Louisiana. She is so awesome. I love her hair, and I love her bangle earrings. I love the shimmery gold that they have. The finish is like really, really perfect. And she's winking at us. She is such a pretty, pretty princess. Did you check out our recent Disney video? We went to Disney World and we met Princess Tiana and we hung out with her outside of Hollywood Studios. Since she's on, it looks like blue pixels, I'm pretty sure she's gonna have a blue stand. Now, don't mix up your codes if you're opening up a whole bunch. Make sure you put them on the side and you label them. Otherwise, it's gonna be a fun surprise. Here is her awesome translucent blue stand. Let's put her on that. She looks cool. Let's change things up and open up a Series 1 2-pack. I found this on Amazon on a Black Friday deal. You might be able to still find them. These blind boxes make great stocking stuffers. If you're looking for more stocking stuffer ideas, make sure you go to tubitoys.com and you can look up our holiday gift guides where I collected and compiled all of our favorite toys of the year. Wow, look at this. So it comes with 2 figures and 2 stands. Wow, and we got Vanellope, and she's a duplicate for us. I'm putting her back, and I wonder if it includes her code as well. I'll save that for a giveaway then, because we already have her. I hope they label the codes. Doesn't look like it, but let's see who we got in this one. Maybe it's someone we already have, and then I could just give away everything. But I think we got, is it Calhoun? Yes, it's Calhoun! Yes, 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 I'm super excited to get her. She is my favorite character from Wreck-It Ralph. She is so cool. Here are our stands. Okay, so we have to figure out which is which. I'm gonna have to figure this out, guys, because I do want to give it away and be able to give you guys the code. Here is Calhoun. She is so cool. We have one more blind box to open, and that's another one from Series 2. Here we go. Who do we want? So far we got what we wanted, Princess Tiana, and we got Shank. I hope we get Double Dan or Knowsmore. Ooh, it's a big one. I think we got Knowsmore. Or wait a minute. Or maybe it's the bunny with the pancakes. Oh no, it's Knowsmore! Yes, I'm so excited. Knowsmore would have been perfect for our last video featuring Knowsmore. Now we could add him to our video character list. Ooh, I'm loving these Series 2 blue plates. These are really cool. Super awesome. So cute. Let's open up these Power Pack displays. We have the Sugar Rush Arcade and we have the Oh My Disney Castle featuring the background to the most famous scene of Wreck-It Ralph 2. Let's open up the Oh My Disney Castle first. Wow, inside you could transform the castle into an amazing display case. This is so cool. Here we have adorable Cinderella, and Cinderella is relaxing. And if you look at her shirt, I think it has her pumpkin. That is her carriage. How cute. Look at her hair. Oh my gosh. Now let's check out this awesome Oh My Disney Castle. This castle looks actually like Sleeping Beauty's castle. It has the Disneyland D. Oh, how cute. And this is actually so sweet. So let's put our princess right here. And look how adorable. They have these little stands. We gotta put... Oh, you could remove the stands too. It'd be cool if you could adjust it to any other any other area of the castle, but then it wouldn't look so cool. Whoa, this would look great on a shelf just like this. How cute. Princess Rapunzel eating her donut. Princess Merida over here. 5 princesses. How great does that look? Super cool. Let's open up the arcade game Sugar Rush. This Power Pack display comes with an exclusive Vanellope inside of her vehicle from Sugar Rush. If you look closely, you can see all of the characters in there. You could choose your racer. This is so cool. How cute is the Sugar Rush arcade play? This is so cool. Does this turn? Oh my gosh, the steering wheel turns. And if you saw Wreck-It Ralph 2, you know why they went to the internet to look for a new steering wheel. So be extra careful because these steering wheels can cost a lot of money. How cute is this? And look at the detail. It really does look like a digital screen. We have the red light, an orange light, or should be yellow, and a green light at the top to signify when you should start moving your vehicle. We even have some artwork on the side featuring the stars of Sugar Rush. This looks so cool. The baby likes it too. Let's see how many we could fit inside. So it works much like the Power Pack display featuring the princesses. Now we also have this exclusive figure that it comes with. It comes with exclusive Vanellope. It actually did come with a stand, but it really doesn't need one. It doesn't even have a hole for it, which is kind of silly. But she is on her race car, and the wheels do not turn. But let's place her in here. Super cute. And let's put Ralph.
No guts, no butts, no coconuts.
Let's put him here. And let's put Fix-It Felix. Fix-It Felix. And if we had any characters, we would put them in here. But I'm going to put Calhoun. Super cute. So you can only fit 4 in this because it actually has the top of the console in here. So you can't close it up either, but it looks super cute and it would look awesome on a display shelf. Here's everybody that we got in this video and previous videos as well. We are going to do the video game in a separate video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Let me know which one is your favorite from this unboxing and from our previous unboxing videos. Do you like these figures? Do you play the Pac-Man game? Super fun. Stay tuned for a future giveaway featuring the Vanellope that we unboxed from this video, and I'll add in some more cool prizes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Tubi Toys, and please ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching, guys, and have an epic day. Have a Wreck-It Ralph day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.